Good morning, guys. So this morning I took Toya for physical therapy here at just in the back of my home, and kasi her fever is keep on coming back every late in the afternoon. Yun pala kasi nabilwa yung likod. Nabilwa yung likod at the same time napanuhutan, kaya nagka-fever na yun siya. So guys, pauli namin sa balay, galing nagpahilot kay Victoria. Ayan. Baklay, galing nagpahilot sa likod. For the first time lang guys, nagpahilot mi sa likod. So, dito na kami sa street namin. So, ayan guys, pauwi na po kami. Bawal po si Victoria ngayon magpahangin or mag-electric fan. Kaya nandyan muna, parang muna siyang Batman today. Thank you for taking time to watch by. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.